How to set up a custom ringtone for when your phone reaches 80%. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can go ahead and set up a custom ringtone for yourself for when your phone reaches 80%. So for this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your shortcuts, and here you're going to come over to automation and click on the plus icon and click on personal automation. Now what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down where it says battery level, and you're going to click on that. Now you're going to increase this to 80%, and there we go. So when your battery level equals 80%, click on next, click on add action. And once we click on add action, it's going to give you all these things over here. So what we're going to want to do is you can switch over the categories to anything different, like record a voice memo, get direction, view recent photos, and a whole lot more. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and search up notify. So we're going to go with show notification. And once we go to show notification, you can change your custom notification where you can play a sound just like that. And you can give it a title like max charge. Okay, add something like that. Click on next. And once you do this, click on done, and there you go. Now you have a custom ringtone for when your phone reaches 80%. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.